Good afternoon, everyone. We are out here at 3357 Jacksonville Drive in Mobile, Alabama, right off of Dolphin Island Parkway. Looking at this 3-bedroom, 1-bath, completely renovated, brand new listing. Currently listed at $109,000. Let's go take a look. Tell us what you think. So all, as we said, completely updated and renovated. All new LVP flooring throughout the entire house. LED lighting. Our bathroom. This house does have brand new air conditioning, ductwork, inside-outside unit, water heater, plumbing, electrical, new roof, windows. I don't remember if I popped in this room or not. Nice sized backyard. Down a couple little steps. Love to hear what you guys think. As always, if you'd like your own private tour of the property, give us a call, reach out. Talk to you soon.